Blessed day, my friend. I just want to share to you and remind you that the joy of the Lord is our strength. Sabi yon sa Nehemiah 8:10. And it's a reminder to you and it's a reminder to me. Kasi, no matter how difficult our life is, how heavy our heart is, if we have the Lord in there, nagmamanifest siya, nagmumove. The Holy Spirit will whisper to us that, don't worry, Glenn. Everything will be fine. I'm in control. I know what I'm doing. So, my friend, I just want you to remind you that in this short video, that no matter how challenging or difficult your circumstances is, it will pass. But one thing is for sure, that the love, the peace, the hope, and the joy of the Lord is with us. Yun ang sinabi niya. So, kapit lang tayo. Just a gentle reminder, a friendly reminder, para din sa akin. Because you know how difficult life is. Let's not make it more difficult as it is. And I keep on saying to myself, because this video is a good reminder, it's a good journal, that every time that I'm down, I would like to share it to you, my friend. Because life is meant to be live in joy, hope, and love. So, yun. Tandaan natin na ang Panginoon ang ating kasiyahan. Till next time, the best is yet to come. Peace. Bye. Time to work.